Apple is delaying the launch of its podcast subscription service until June. According to an email sent to creators, the delay came as some creators began facing issues when uploading their shows. In April, Apple announced that the service would be launching in May. Although June is not too far off. Apple's new podcast subscription service will allow users to sign up for freemium or paid podcast shows as posted by creators. According to a recent report that comes in light of a new Sony product registration, the company is preparing a small revision. Apparently, the new revised PS5 will pack a new Wi-Fi module. It can tweak the peak Wi-Fi antenna to gain for both wireless connectivity bands. The registration of the new Wi-Fi module will be the console's first product revision of its life. However, it's not exactly what PlayStation fans have been expecting, that is to improve the number of units available. Microblogging platform Twitter is reportedly working on a Facebook-like tweet reactions view that includes adding some new emojis. Alongside the like button, Twitter is also working on cheer, sad, and haha emoji reactions. It's still unclear when the platform is going to release this feature and how it's going to be implemented. Currently, only and haha reactions have a proper emoji. Cheer and sad have the same generic heart emoji of the like button. In an official statement, a WhatsApp spokesperson reportedly said that given recent discussions with various authorities and privacy experts, the company wants to make clear that it will not limit the functionality of how WhatsApp works for those who have not yet accepted the update. This is the plan moving forward indefinitely. So you folks can stop wondering and relax now. Google wants to attract Pixel buyers with a phone that seamlessly runs Android 12 software and Google Assistant, not by matching up pound for pound against Samsung or OnePlus. In fact, Google's immediate competitor will be the iPhone 13, which we expect to ship out in September 2021 as well. The Pixel 6, slower than the S21 and likely much slower than the iPhone 13 launching alongside it, and the Galaxy S22 arriving just a few months later, may not be what you think it is.